We want to determine the perimeter of the given rectangle. The perimeter of a polygon is the distance around the outside and can be found by determining the sum of the lengths of the sides. So for a rectangle, to determine the perimeter, we need to sum the lengths of the four sides. And one property of rectangles is that the opposite sides are equal length. So if this side here is 6 inches, so is this side. And if this side is 14 inches, so is the opposite side here. So now to determine the perimeter, or the distance around the outside of this rectangle, we just need to sum these four lengths. So we'd have 14 inches plus 14 inches plus 6 inches plus 6 inches. And notice how I lined up the place values, and now we can add. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 6 is 14, plus 6 is 20. So we have a 0 in the ones place value, we carry a 2 to the tens. 2 plus 1 would be 4. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 40 inches. Now there is a formula that we can use to determine the perimeter of a rectangle, but as long as we know what perimeter is, we really don't need a formula, and we can use this idea of summing the lengths of the sides to determine the perimeter of any polygon. But let's go ahead and briefly discuss the perimeter formula for a rectangle. Let's label the length of this side L for length, and we'll label the length of this side W for width. And again, we know the opposite sides have equal length, so this would be L and this would be W. So the perimeter would be equal to L plus L plus W plus W. So we can use the formula the perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width to determine the perimeter of any rectangle. So if we wanted to apply this formula to the rectangle we were given, the perimeter would be equal to 2 times 6 plus 2 times 14, which would be 12 plus 28, which of course is 40 inches. So whether we use the definition of perimeter or the perimeter formula for a rectangle, our answer is the same.